guys, welcome back to another surveillance video. Today I'm showing you how to assemble the new 8-arm Candelabra crystal waterfall centerpiece. Let's get started. To start, I'm placing the metal dowel through the base and adding a washer and nut bolt to the bottom end. Next, I'm adding the small metal disc, one of the middle sections, the crystal waterfall ring, the second middle section, and the larger metal disc. I'm securing everything in place using another nut bolt, and I'm assembling the candle holder. Now I'm adding the candle holder arms to the top disc. Once that is complete, I'm placing it onto the rest of the centerpiece and securing it in place using the gold cap screw. Lastly, I'm adding the hanging crystals to the candelabra. This 8-arm Candelabra crystal waterfall centerpiece is a versatile statement piece that you can use to add a touch of elegance to any setting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more of our inspiration and subscribe to see our latest video. Thank you again and see you next time.